The Fuell Folld-1 folding fat tire e-bike marks an exciting addition to the urban mobility and off-road adventure scene, now available for enthusiasts in both the EU and the US. Boasting a fusion of compact appearance, powerful performance, and rugged capabilities, this innovative e-bike opens up a realm of possibilities for riders seeking versatility and convenience in their journeys. Crafted as the inaugural folding electric bicycle from Fuell, the Folld-1 encapsulates the brand's commitment to innovation and functionality. While Fuell's recent ventures, the Flluid-2 and Flluid-3 bikes, cater to specific niches, the Folld-1 emerges as a multi-purpose solution for urban commuting and off-road escapades. At the heart of its appearance are the 20x4-inch fat tires, engineered to effortlessly navigate through challenging terrains with ease. Whether cruising through city streets or tackling rugged trails, the Folld-1 promises a smooth and stable ride. Powering this adventure companion is a robust 750-watt Bafang electric motor, delivering an impressive torque of 85 Nm and reaching top speeds of 32 km/h in the US and 25 km/h in the EU. Equipped with a removable 720-watt-hour battery, the Folld-1 ensures an extended assistance range of 113 km or 70 miles, providing riders with the freedom to explore without limits. While the 6-hour recharge time may pose a challenge for some, the convenience of a removable battery mitigates concerns, allowing for easy swapping and extended adventures. Developed to tackle rough terrain with finesse, the Folld-1 boasts a full suspension system, featuring a Mozo-Fatman hydraulic suspension fork at the front and a Fastest CXC01 at the rear. This combination ensures optimal shock absorption and enhanced comfort, enabling riders to traverse uneven surfaces with confidence. Navigating the urban landscape or conquering off-road trails is made effortless with the Folld-1's intuitive controls and user-friendly features. With 5 assistance levels to choose from, riders can tailor their riding experience to suit their preferences, while the inclusion of a thumb throttle in the US version provides an added layer of convenience. Forged from an unibody magnesium alloy frame, the Folld-1 strikes the perfect balance between durability and portability. Its foldable appearance enhances versatility, allowing riders to effortlessly stow away their e-bike in tight spaces or transport it with ease. However, with a weight of approximately 37.4 kilograms, the Folld-1 may be considered relatively heavy compared to other models in its class. Exciting news for cycling enthusiasts in the US and the EU. The highly anticipated Fuell Folld-1 electric bicycle has officially hit the market, offering riders a blend of cutting-edge technology and affordability. Available now at an introductory price of $1,995 in the US and €1,995 in the EU, this revolutionary e-bike presents a compelling option for those seeking a versatile and cost-effective mode of transportation. With its original price tag at $2,495 in the US and €2,495 in the EU, the current introductory offer represents a substantial discount, making the Folld-1 even more accessible to a wider audience. In essence, the Fuell Folld-1 folding fat tire e-bike emerges as a game-changer in the realm of urban mobility and off-road exploration. With its powerful performance, extended range, and rugged appearance, it caters to the diverse needs of modern riders, offering a seamless blend of convenience, comfort, and adventure. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on off-grid adventures, the Folld-1 stands as a testament to Fuell's commitment to innovation and excellence in e-bike technology. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I sincerely hope that you found it interesting and informative, and that it provided you with valuable insights or entertainment. Have a wonderful day ahead, and may God bless you abundantly. Thank you again for your time and attention.